In this thrilling science experiment, participants use grapes to form plasma sparks inside a microwave. By cutting a grape nearly in half and placing both halves next to each other in the microwave, they create instant plasma due to the electromagnetic interaction. The sparks result from the ability of grapes to trap microwaves, causing the release of plasma flames. This experiment showcases the principles of energy transformation and electromagnetic waves. It's crucial to regulate the time and follow safety guidelines as it involves household technology in a unique and surprising display of physics.